Good morning and greetings from the pink city of Jaipur. I'm about to have some lunch and just want to know why this city is called pink. I've been called. Huh? Actually, अभी lunch करने वाला हूँ. Lunch करके आता हूँ.
2 minutes, look, don't buy.
Okay, come on. Well, these are the problems with tourists out. You get hassled even though you don't want things. Let's have a look. Some traditional Rajasthani clothes.
Where are you from, sir?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yep. Some Rajasthani work, fancy clothes,
Jaipuri kurta,
Jaipuri kurta, saris. Yeah.
Please come.
Yep.
Please have a seat.
Okay. Let's
This
see
is
what
Rajasthani.
we have. Yeah.
One like this quality. This is kurta, hand block. This is Rajasthani special. Quality is the best. Less cotton. See the quality is soft.
Okay. And how much does one
I tell
kurta
you-
like this cost usually in your shop?
This is 200 rupees, sir. This one 350.
Okay.
This 550. This is the best quality.
Okay.
This is for winter. This is the best quality of the winter. एक शर्ट पड़ी थी विंटर वाली लेके ब्लॉक प्रिंटिंग वाली.
What do you guys think?
अरे वो शर्ट है ये विंटर के हिसाब से बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा है सर. चीज़ देखिए रिंकल फ्री है. जिसको लाते थे फॉर विंटर. दिस एंड दिस फॉर बर्थ.
Quite tacky. Okay.
कलर्स काफ़ी प्रिंटेड मिल जाएंगे सर. प्रिंट काफ़ी मिल जाएंगे दोनों में. Which
अच्छा.
quality? This is the best one. I tell you.
Yeah, they all seem good.
In different designs also we have. Look here. This quality. पैसा भी एक ले good luck का.
I mean, like I said, I don't want to buy anything now, but I'll definitely come back. I'm having a look over. I'll have some food.
No,
उसके बाद
maybe
I'll
like I
listen to
give you a price now just for good luck.
it. I don't want to buy it right now.
Just for good luck.
It's not about good luck. There's no requirement, na. Abhi. I know I need something. When I need something, I'll come back here. That I can tell you. That's what I was saying. I'll have something and get back. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Sir, I showed you the winter jacket. What?
Yeah. It's better if I come back, right? Because I'm not going to buy anything right now. So let me just come back. I'll come back here and hopefully buy.
Up to you, sir.
Okay. No
I like
problem.
this jacket.
Which one? This one.
उसका रोई का आता है ना सर.
Okay.
Important. Best one. Hand block.
Yep. This is more of a winter wear. Okay.
और ज़्यादा महंगा भी नहीं. Morning time first Christmas your price.
I get that. Anyways, मैं आता हूँ. ठीक है. Thank you for your offer. Yeah. Well, this is a problem with tourist towns. When you don't want something, these people hassle you and tell you shit and try to get you into their shops. So yeah, as I was saying, welcome back again. Take 2 from Jaipur, the pink city. It's very important in Rajasthan, particularly to know Hindi. So for all you non-Hindi speakers, there are 3 phrases that I'd like to teach you, which is going to help you stay away from tourist camps. First one, which is very simple. It's called as Namaste. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard. The second one is Kitna Paisa. Kitna Paisa means how much does it cost. I know there is a phrase called Kitna Rupaya, but then I feel Kitna Paisa is a way more effective term because Paisa is a very outdated Hindi term. So when you say Kitna Paisa to someone, I'm sure those people probably realize that you're up in your game, you know what you're here for. And the third most important thing is Behenji. And this thing helps all over India. So these are the things that could help you escape all these tourist towns. More shops, more Rajasthani handcraft shops. Yeah, most important, you have Hawa Mahal here. The beautiful Hawa Mahal. Well, I don't want to pretend like I know a lot about Hawa Mahal, but I'm sure I know some basic. It was created in the 17th century for the women of the royal household. Isn't it magnificent? Though the pink color is starting to subside. I completely forgot why I was out. I'm out for having some food. So let's find a restaurant for ourselves and yeah, let's carry around. I see a restaurant here. ये विंड कैफे रेस्टोरेंट कैसे जाना है? अंदर ऊपर ऊपर
Yeah.
Well, I did find a restaurant just opposite to Hawa Mahal, and yeah, let's see how this restaurant is. Yeah, thank you. And well, in that vein, I'd like to thank you guys for giving me a lot of love for my Tibetan video. I've seen a lot of love from the comment section. Keep pouring the love. It was really fun making that video though. Hello. I like the view. Look at this for a view. You have the great Hawa Mahal here and the wonderful fortification. I think that is City Palace, which we'll visit next. Well, I just placed the order for the food. I thought this place would have something Rajasthani, but unfortunately this place propagates imperialism too, so I'm having to succumb to eat something that is westernized. However, I won't be eating a lot because I'm here to just try Rajasthani food. Let's just have a quick nibble. Go check out this wonderful palace, the Palace of Wind, that's what it's called. And yeah, see you once I'm finished having my short little brunch. Well, just finished with the meal. Oh, feels so better. Now it's time to check out the beautiful Hawa Mahal. And we are back on the streets where we belong. So it's time to explore the Window Palace. Hopefully not get run over. Okay, 5 strides away before I get run over. Made it. Check out this, a close angle view. So, as I've mentioned, I don't know much about the history of Hawa Mahal. What I do know, it was made for the women of the royal household, for them to have a glimpse over the city of Jaipur without getting noticed. Let's see how it looks like from inside. Let's find out how. अंदर कैसे जा सकते हैं?
इधर से।
कहाँ से?
इधर से जाओ।
इधर से? चलो।
मेरा बैलून भी ले लेना।
मैं क्या करूँगा बैलून के साथ? यहाँ से? यहाँ से? वहाँ से? ओके। मैं क्या करूँ बैलून के साथ? नहीं है मेरे पास, कैश भी नहीं है। ठीक है, थैंक यू। So this is the entrance of the Royal Hawa Mahal. We have wonderful work of jewelries, traditionally Rajasthan bangles, jewelries. Oh, feel like we are entering a Haveli. The reason why I mentioned Haveli, it was a guess, but then you see this, right? This is what a courtyard is. And I believe this should be the entrance of the Royal Hawa Mahal. Let's have a look. भाई साहब यहाँ से एंटर करना है? एंटर यहाँ से करना है. Thank you. It oddly seems like a maze, so it's kind of difficult for you to maneuver yourself through without taking any assistance. Check out this. Feels like you're suddenly in the countryside. So you have some Rajasthani topis for people who are not aware about the traditional Rajasthan attire. These are the topis. We have lovely embroidery.
फोटो आपके लिए अभी बना के जाओगे ना घूम के आओगे एग्जैक्ट
We have jutis.
भैया यार ब्लॉगर ब्लॉगर ब्लॉगर
Yes, yes, yes.
यूट्यूबर है
Yeah.
किधर में
Huh?
किधर फ्रॉम
I'm from Hyderabad.
हैदराबाद
Yeah.
फ्रॉम केरला
From Kerala. Ah, nice, nice to meet you, man.
name
My name is Abhishek. You want to know my channel?
yeah yes of course. We are following you then
You're following? Okay, it's Broke. B-R-O-C-K.
BROCK
Sorry, B-R-O-K-E. Broke. Not Broke. And bankrupt.
broken bank
Rupt. Yeah.
सर लेदर स्लीपर देखेंगे आपके लिए
yeah
Yeah, it's just a new channel.
okay all the best
Thank you, bro. I have a lot of friends in Kerala. Apparently, there is quarantine over there too, right?
yeah.
So I have friends going there. They told me that you have quarantine going on in Kerala.
yeah
I have a lot of friends from Kerala in my office who resides in
that's
Hyderabad.
acha place welcome
Oh yeah, of course. I love beef, man. That's the only place where you get legit beef. Everywhere else you get buffalo.
Wow.
I know.
Nice.
No,
Nice.
thank you, man. Thank you. Not interested. Okay, thanks, man. Yeah, it was nice meeting you. अंदर कैसे घुसना है हवा में?
लेफ्ट में टिकट लेना ऊपर जाना
थैंक यू.
बाकी आपके लिए देख लो स्लीपर्स वगैरह जयपुरी
अरे यार मैं आके देखता हूँ, फिल्म बना रहा हूँ. ठीक है, थैंक यू. वेल, travels of a content creator being hassled by tourists trying to avoid the touts. So yeah, let's go get ourselves a ticket. This is where you have the ticket counter. Let's see how much a ticket would cost to enter Hawa Mahal. ये टिकट काउंटर है. What are the rules? Clean hands with alcohol based. Okay, seems like they're adhering to COVID rules. Not bad for a touristy place.
ये लीजिए, ध्यान रखना जिस पे मोनूमेंट पे जाओ उसी पे पंच करवाना.
ओके मैम थैंक यू
हाँ बोलिए.
एक टिकट
50 रुपये दीजिए.
50 रुपये. So a ticket with your camera costs about $50, which is not a bad deal. Really. और अंदर कैसे जाना?
बराबर में सीखना.
ठीक है, थैंक यू. So 50 rupees for a person with a camera. Quite cheap for a touristy place. So this is how you enter Hawa Mahal. Huh? No mask, no entry. Okay. I'm already up in my game. I have my mask. Let's do it. This is an affirmation that you bought the ticket and now you can enter the beautiful Hawa Mahal. Look at this for an entrance. The wonderful Hawa Mahal. What do you guys think about this place? Just majestic, isn't it? Let's reach on the top and see how it feels like to be a queen witnessing the entire city. You have Cafe Coffee Day catering to tourist people. Wonderful architecture. Okay. So this is where the woman would peep outside the windows. All these little holes with intricate detailing. Another thing is the fact that it has some phenomena where you have cold air blowing inside, through which the name Hawa Mahal has derived. So there's nothing more that I know about this place. You can Google it. I just want to show you guys how Hawa Mahal would look like. Okay, it's a circle. Is there any other place? Let's try this area. Okay. Baby feeding room. Probably all the queens who were pregnant or who just had given birth to a baby would, you know, visit a place here somewhere. Ideal of a Ganesh from 14th to 15th century is what it says.
इससे वीडियो बनाना अलाउ नहीं है।
नहीं है मतलब इसका या
इससे वीडियो बनाना अलाउ नहीं है किसी भी जगह का।
क्यों?
मना है।
मतलब बाहर तो ऐसा नहीं बोला, बाहर तो कैमरा के साथ ही पैसे दिया मैंने और उन्होंने बोला कि वीडियो कैमरा और फोटो कैमरे का अलग प्राइस होता है।
बड़ा कैमरा आप दूसरा रख सकते हो, इससे आप वीडियो बना रहे हो।
हाँ
ये बना रहे हो ना?
हाँ तो मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, मैं झूठ थोड़ी ना बोल रहा हूँ आपको।
इससे वीडियो नहीं बना सकते आप।
तो कैमरा से वीडियो बना सकते हो,
नहीं
फोटो खींच सकते हो, ठीक है। तो बाहर तो मुझे ऐसा बोला नहीं गया था, मुझे वो बोल दिया था।
जिनका ध्यान पड़ेगा वही तो टोकेगा। मेरा ध्यान पड़ गया, मैंने टोक दिया, आगे जाओगे आपके फिर कोई टोकेगा।
ओहो, तो फिर बाहर बोला ना वीडियो कैमरा के लिए अलग प्राइस है, ऐसा बोला गया मुझे ये मैं जब टिकट खरीदा था।
वीडियो बनाना अलाउ नहीं।
ठीक है, सॉरी, थैंक यू। Sometimes I feel, you know, people are just so crazy. Something so simple and mundane, I'm sure, you know, something like that has no real significance. But, you know, people try to make a big deal out of it. Yeah. But it's fine. Let's digress from that conversation and carry on. Where does this lead us to? What do we have here? A courtyard. Just pigeons hanging around, having the privacy of their life. Yeah. I just want to know, how do I reach there on the rampart? It's like playing a video game. It's kind of difficult to understand, but I am gonna persevere and figure it out. How do we reach there? Maybe I need to ask someone. Otherwise, I'm gonna spend all of my days trying to figure it out. Let's see if I can get some help. Wow, check out this for some door. You're always touching history whenever you're in places like India. But how the hell do we reach up? Okay, yep, I think we figured it out. Let's do this. Oh, we finally made it to the first step of our crenellation. Wow. Getting an overview look of the entire courtyard below. Let's see what we have in the front. What's fascinating is to see monuments like this standing against the will of time. even after 500-600 years. Crikey. So this would be much more better view. Oh, it's the backside. How do we reach to the front? Okay, I see another way. Oh, great. Oh, finally I feel like I have the place for myself and I can talk whatever I feel like. What a wonderful establishment. I would have never knew had I not visited to Rajasthan. I've always been told how beautiful Rajasthan was, but today I could witness it with my naked eye. See monkeys chilling around, making Hawa Mahal their home. Yup, this is the view that I wanted to show you. The Rajput queens would use these short windows to witness the entire city. The bustling street of Jaipur. What else do we have here? We have a Indo-Muslim architecture. Yeah, that's what it looks. What I like is the attention to detail, how wonderfully ornated. Let's have a look. And yeah, I can feel the cold air oozing through this small holes. The reason why the name Hawa Mahal, the wind of palace, is because of the small holes through which the wind oozes. And obviously there is some phenomena. I'm not a Rajasthani to know it, but yeah, I did read that on the internet. So this is how the queens would peep out to see the city of Jaipur without being noticed. Can you guys see it? I'm sure you do. Let's carry around, try to find a different place. That point looks the most attractive place of the entire mahal, so let's try reaching there. This is a problem to solve. How do I reach up? It's kind of a task, isn't it? Okay, let's try this way. It's kind of easy to get lost in this labyrinth of maze, which is Hawa Mahal, and yeah, you have to figure it out by yourself. That's how it is, just like life. The monkeys chilling around. There's nothing. I'm determined to reach on the pinnacle of this palace. I'm sure I'll do it, but it's kind of getting tedious and I don't know why, but yeah, it seems like a predicament now. I don't think I've been here. It's pink, yeah. This is the pink part of the Hawa Mahal. And this is where probably the Queen would come. Have a look over the entire city. You have Maharaja High School, You have street vendors, women walking around. This is how it is. What do we have here? People taking pictures. Nothing special. I think all these are restored. This doesn't seem 400-500 years old, so I'm sure a lot of this was desecrated and plundered. So yeah, I'm sure the government has worked enough on this monument to restore it, to get back to its older glories. There seems like an ascension, so I'm hopeful we'll reach to where we want to. Let's check this area before we go further up north. Same Indo-Muslim architecture, a lot of Islamic influence on the Rajput architecture. Women taking pictures as usual. Nothing fancy. Yeah, that is where we have to reach. Let's hopefully we'll find a way. Oh, this is way down. No, we are going up north. Let's find our way through. I am determined to find my way through up. Come on. Was this the route? Yes, indeed. Okay, seems like a lot of people are on the topmost crenellation point. What do we have here? Let's have a look. More, yeah, this is more Jain architecture. So usually if you notice, Jain temples would have constructions like this. It does have a lot of Muslim influence, but this is how Indo-Muslim architecture is. Wonderful. Now let's make our way up. Get a thumbnail for ourselves. Hopefully. Oh, we have City Palace over there on the fortification, overlooking the city of Jaipur. Nice. So now I see why this place is so touristy. Well, quite lives up to its hype. GoPro camera. GoPro camera. YouTube videos. Well, a lot of people are curious when they see a GoPro camera. Well, it doesn't seem like a camera, so yeah, I understand. Well, let's make our way through. Police guarding the Hawa Mahal. What do we have? Let's see what that place is all about. Why do people go there? Let's have a look. There could be something special. Let's see. Let's see what's all hype about this place. So we have the view of the entire fortification. Now I see why a lot of people come here, and that is where we were having our breakfast today. Wind View Cafe. So our next destination would be that one, hopefully. Let's see if we can find our way there. But yeah, a wonderful view to behold of a city, Jaipur. What do we have here? Okay, let's head ourselves down. I think we are done with this place. So I don't see anything more over here. People clicking pictures as usual. What else do we have? A lot of commotion over here. Well, what do you think about Hawa Mahal, guys? From the outside, it did seem way lot extravagant, but from the inside, I was expecting a lot more temples, a lot more of historical significance. But what I really ended up figuring out is most of the architecture over here is restored. I can't believe the fact that this is 500 years old. I think these are restored. I think there are few remnants and relics from the past, but I know most of them are certainly restored. So yeah, Jaipur in general is a beautiful city, is what I personally feel, because I was very much prepared for the noise and, you know, the boisterous crowd and the hustle and bustle of the street. But then Jaipur was relatively calmer, and New Delhi was, you know, New Delhi never ceased to amaze you. So yeah, I was thinking Jaipur, being a commercial city, would offer something similar, but it's quite a calm place in the hustle and bustle of all the tourism. Probably because of coronavirus, I think the tourism industry of Rajasthan has been ravaged, due to which you don't see a lot of tourist people. What is here? A huge ass courtyard. Okay, I think we did reach over there. Let's see if I can ask someone. Well, I would still prefer roaming around the streets of Jaipur over Hawa Mahal. Like I mentioned, it's my personal feeling, but I think Hawa Mahal was way more beautiful from the outside. From the inside, not really that extravagant. This might be the guy who actually built this Hawa Mahal for all the women. Yup, I think I have the information. His name is Mr. Maharaja Pratap Singh, the personal abode. If you notice, I can see Lord Krishna mentioned over here. I don't even have to read it. Rajasthan is very Hindu dominant, so you'll find majority of the people being Hindu here, and they're very religious. You won't find people who are agnostic, or, you know, someone who don't believe in God. That's where you see a lot of people use terms like Ram Ram. The term Ram Ram comes from Lord Rama in the mythology of Ramayana. That's how Rajasthani people greet people around. Like we use Namaste, and yeah, that's how things work in Rajasthan. As mentioned in Hindi, बाहर जाने का रास्ता. And this is the end of the Hawa Mahal tour. What do you guys think about Hawa Mahal? Do you think it pretty much lives up to the hype? It does in so many ways because the price tickets are very low, but I think it should be way more lower for the foreign tourist. I don't think it's worth paying $200-300 and visit Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal looks way more beautiful from the outside, but as an Indian, 50 rupees is not a big deal, but as a foreigner, I would never pay that kind of money to enter something like Hawa Mahal.